again. I'm Rocío. I work as an English teacher for Tau. And today, well, I don't know if you have noticed, but today is the first day of spring. So even though it's gonna be a weird spring, don't you think that we should celebrate that? I think so. So I'm gonna show you how to create a beautiful and very easy butterfly. You just need a square sheet of paper, scissors, and ribbon. Okay, and if you don't have ribbon, you can use any other thing that you have at home. Okay, so first thing, just fold. This is gonna be a kind of origami, even though it's not, because we will have to cut. But anyway, fold it in half and put it. Okay, now I keep this part and I'm gonna work with that. Fold it again in half. Now we have to fold again these tips, the four of them, like this. You'll see here you have one, yeah, like this with the rest. Okay, now we have it, yeah, and fold it again. Now I'm gonna work with this part. I'm gonna fold this, like fold it up like this, like leaving here like more or less like half a centimeter, but don't worry if this isn't exactly like that. And then I'm gonna fold it again and a third time, and then I will work the same with the other side, so you will get something like this, right? Okay, this is gonna be the top side of your butterfly, and then we have the other one. You remember? Okay, we have to fold it more or less as in the other part. It's like creating this kind of concertina effect or Eastern fan effect, something like this, the whole paper, so you get something like this one, right? Now this is gonna be the bottom part of your butterfly. Fold it in half again, okay, like this, and the same with the other one. Fold it in half, and now we're gonna connect the two of them like this, okay? Yeah. You can use glue if you want, but it's not necessary. And now it's time for the ribbon. Yeah, just tie the knot here. Oh, one of the parts is trying to escape. That's it. Here we are. And once you have this, look, it's antennae. And then just unfold or spread your wings, open your wings, and there it is. Here you have the first butterfly of this spring. And if you're really bored, I suggest you to make a lot of them, and then you will get something like this. Follow me. Here you have. Yeah. Now, what do you think of my mural art? Yeah. So you see, I'll spend the whole morning doing this, and I suggest you that you do the same, because it's quite I don't know, even funny. That's it for today. I hope you try to have a nice spring and a nice weekend, and see you Monday. Bye bye. Thank you.